In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, just download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on this gear icon at the top left one. Choose I accept in first things first pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, just click on this X at the top right corner and choose those three lines at the bottom right corner. Lastly, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Apply, and pick one of those options. In my case, home screen only. So when I click and close Magic Fluids app, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!